almost 500,000 Ks. So the last time I replaced the oil on this thing was when I replaced the oil level sensor, and since then the car went to the track and has done approximately 8,000 kilometers. So yeah, seems like a good day to change the oil.
I am a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of war. There is no sickness, toil nor danger in that bright land which I go. I'm going there to see my mother. I'm going there, no more to roam. I'm just going overjoyed. I'm just going over home. And I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way.
So now we have brand new oil, and let's reset the oil inspection interval.
But golden fields stretch out for me.
There we go. Nice. Oh, and since we are already here, let's top off our windshield wiper fluid.
I'm going there to see my father. I'm going there.
Nice.